the mental imprisonment that they wanted for you has now become their reality. There's a lot of upheaval and disruptions that's going on within their family life. A lot of disagreements and some breakups. Not seeing eye to eye with their immediate family or whoever they considered to be like family. This could be friends that are like family. Things are turning upside down. This is what they wanted for you. People are being very defensive towards this individual. They wanted people to be defensive towards you. They were very combative towards you. People are this way inclined in regards to this individual. While your seeds are sowing and your manifestations are bearing fruit, you continue to shine. You continue to stand in your power. This individual wanted to rip the crown off your head and stuff it on their own. This person was very threatened and is still very threatened about your influence, about your likability, about your leadership. And they wanted to break down your confidence. They wanted you to feel small because having you around made them feel, and still makes them feel, insignificant. So they tried to come for you. They tried to put you in a state of feeling isolated, feeling alone, feeling unsure about yourself. They were scared, and they still are scared with your power. This individual feels as though their life is very chaotic. They are all over the place. They felt like they had every right to rival you. Meanwhile, you were just minding your own business. But they seeked you out to try and destroy you, to try and defame you, because one of the aims was to try and get others to isolate you. This person could be from a group, club, organization that you belong to. They could have been competing with you on social media. For others of you, they were competing with you in regards to popularity within a group, within a friendship circle. And they wanted everyone to turn on you. But now the tables have turned on them. The wheel of fortune is not in this person's favor. This person's true personality and way of being has been expanded for all eyes to see. This person worships money, and their money is fluctuating. This individual is walking around aimlessly, not knowing where to go and what to do. All the friends that they thought would have their back have now turned their back on this individual. This is what they wanted for you. People are starting to disassociate with this individual. This person is seen as untrustworthy and deceitful. This person is being seen as selfish. This person is also being seen as an annoyance. And this person feels iced out from everyone. They're being affected mentally because they're in shock about how their plots and schemes in regards to turning everyone against you has backfired. They wanted people to look at you as though you were some sort of outcast. You know, they wanted people to gossip about you. They wanted people to look down upon you. They wanted you to have no backing, no support. And all the backing and support that they thought they had from others, these same people are now backing and supporting you. You know, this person made you very relevant because they kept speaking on your name. They kept talking about you. And some of these people wanted to look you up. You know, some of these people actually, if you know these people, wanted to get to know you more. And they found out that you're actually a great conversationalist, you're very intelligent, highly skilled, and they wanted to be your friend. So this person felt like they were doing you a disservice when in actual fact they were helping you. And they shone a light on their jealousy and envy and mental instability when it came to you. Because now people feel like this person's mentally ill. This person is isolated and alone. For some of you, if this individual is in a relationship, this relationship is breaking down. For some of you, this person's partner has left them. They're single now. This is one of the things that this person fears, because this individual does not like being alone. And that's why they have to associate with people that they may not even like, but they just hate the fact of being alone. To this individual, being alone means that they're a failure, when it's not even true. Because sometimes when you are alone, that's when you can do the inner work. That's when you can reflect. That's when you can do the shadow work, ask yourself the questions that you run away from. And that's when you can get to learn about yourself. But this person doesn't like to be in touch with themselves. And the very thing that they fear, i.e. being on their own, is what's happening to them right now. They are alone, and not by choice. They are extremely lonely. They are resorting to vices to try and numb themselves out, which is making their mental being be even more unstable. This person is starting to fear that the ones that they felt were their friends, or the ones that they felt would always have their back, are deceiving them. And it's not that people are deceiving them. People are, in fact, removing themselves away from this individual. People do not trust this person. And this person is ashamed that people know who they really are. People have seen the demon behind the mask that they hid behind. People find this person very confusing. And because of this, they don't want to be around this person anymore. And all the spells or manipulation that they conjured up have backfired onto this individual. This individual is going through a lot of blockages, especially in regards to work. There could be a block in money. There could be a block in gaining a new job. There could be blockages in their workplace. If this is an individual that thrives on connections in the workplace, to be the leader, to be the top dog, this is not happening anymore. They're being blocked out of social groups. Delays with people getting back in touch with them in regards to work. There's the energy of this person feeling as though they're being punished. And they are.